Hey guys, in this tutorial we are going to make a trajectory rib, and we will see that how it works. So open a new file, and here we are in the PTC Creo main interface. And first of all, select top view and sketch view. So first of all, we are going to make a box, and for this select center rectangle, press the middle mouse button, and after that double click 200, double click, and the width is 120, and extrude to 65, and here it is a solid, so we want to make a box. And as you can see, here is the command shell, and select the upper surface, and you can select the thickness 5. Okay, so now this is the rib command, and this is trajectory rib that we are going to discuss. So click on trajectory rib, and after that we have to choose the surface. So click on this and sketch view. After that, here's we have option to make a rib, and we can make so many different boxes. And for example, select line and make a line, press the middle mouse button, and I want 4 portions. So I make a plus or 2 lines, one vertical and one horizontal, and when I click to OK, it will extend it to end of the box. As you can see, click OK, so it automatically make the trajectory rib, and it automatically detect the box end point and make a rib. And as you can see, I can select the thickness 5, and I selected the 5. After that is we have 3 more options. First of all, we can add a round on the exposed edges. So as I am zooming in, so you can see it's round. And the other option is we can add a round on the internal surfaces. So if I click to internal surfaces, so as you can see, the round is applied on the internal surfaces as these kind of surface. So the last option is add a draft. If I click on add draft, so I'm deselecting the option to show you the difference between first and after applying this command. So when I so just observe this surface. As I clicked, it adds some angle, and I can easily select the angle of the drafts, and these are the dimensions that I can change, and you can easily change. And radius, internal radius, and the draft angle. And for now, uh, you can also go to shape and give the specified value for this radius, the distance, and the bottom side of radius. So you can easily modify it. For now I am just going to click OK, and after that I want to make it a wood touch, and for this select render, appearance gallery, and here search for wood. I'm just changing the material to give it a look like it's a wooden box. So I will apply the material, and after that is the option, and just select it, and select part and click OK. So here you can see we make a wooden box by easily by using the trajectory rib. So hope you like the video. Please subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next video.